Hi, my name is Maria and today we're going to prepare something easy, fast and delicious. We are going to prepare some quesadillas in a unique way. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. To prepare the quesadillas, we will use tortillas for burritos, mozzarella cheese, and ham. Let's add the pieces of ham. This ham gives a special touch. Now we're going to add the mozzarella cheese. Cheese is the complement. We add a lot of cheese. What we're going to do is that we're going to cover it with the other tortilla to form the quesadilla. We place it here on a piece of aluminum, and now what we're going to do is put it in the oven in bake for approximately 10 minutes. And here is our quesadilla. It was cut with a pizza cutter. Remember that it took about 10 minutes in bake. This recipe is very easy and fast, and when you prepare it, you will love it because it tastes delicious. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel Lady Maria 51 and activate the bell. See you in the next video.